Here we are at our cardboard box boat race, and Jacob is the first to set sail. And he goes down. Wait, he's trying again. And there he goes again. Next up, we have Caden McKay.
He's sinking!
And he's off to meet Davy Jones in the locker. Our next contestant is Luke Lord. His boat is the first to successfully float. But it looks like he's not quite sure how to steer. Finally, with a little help from Jacob, Luke became our first to succeed.
Okay, don't get that in both wet.
Up next, we have the Beckstrands with their funny-looking contraption. They made it 2/3 of the way there, but then they sank to the deep depths of their own pool. Following that epic fail, we have Faith and Joy Lord. And that's the end for those two. Our final contestants are the Prestons with their awesome-looking box boat.
Give the little guys oars.
They completed the race with the best time of 1 minute and 28 seconds. They are the winners of the 2011 Cardboard Box Boat Race. Maybe that's because they had
the safety manual. If someone is bleeding, notify ref. If someone is bleeding, put a band-aid there. If someone is not breathing, do mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. The rules. Do not fall out on purpose. Do not bring any explosives on board. Do not bring any sharp things on board. Do not be a bad sport.
That is cute.
At the end, we had a whole bunch of soggy boats, and we had a ton of fun. This is Hayden Beckstrand, reporting for the 2011 Cardboard Box Boat Race.